Kenya is now roping in communities to help in conserving the country's dwindling forest cover. To bring on board the locals, a fund has been established that will assist communities living around the forest to take part in the conservation efforts.
We are taking it as an opportunity. It's an opportunity because we are going to involve our youth. We are going to involve people like the community forest associations that we have talked about, to look for seeds, to look for seedlings, to do the preparation for those planting, to take care of those seedlings. And therefore we are looking for any partner who's willing to partner with us so that we can restore those areas.
If we conserve the trees, then that will actually mitigate somehow. I'm not saying that it's going to mitigate the whole drought, but actually it will reduce the aspect of the conservation aspect of water source that will end up in your tap.
The Water Trust Fund project will integrate communities living adjacent and around forests to take part in conserving efforts, while rolling out the project in partnership with the Kenya Water Resources and Tana Natural Resources. Chief Conservator of Forest Emilio Mugo says the project is geared toward appreciating local population to conserve what belongs to them.
It aims at landscape restoration, and particularly along the water courses and in the upper catchment areas of the mountains.
Mugo says the Forestry Service has also earmarked several degraded forests in the country, as well as several acres of land along Mombasa-Malaba corridor, with a view of increasing forest cover in the country.
Mapped degraded landscapes in farming landscapes, that is agriculture and livestock. We have mapped degraded areas along major transportation corridors, and this is where I'm talking about the Mombasa-Maraba transport corridor, the Lamu, Southern Sudan, Southern Ethiopia, Lapset corridor. Out of the major transportation corridors, the major railways, the SGR is part of that. Out of the major transportation corridors, we have been able to identify about 150,000 hectares that can be rehabilitated.